Aloha guys, this is Stupid Chris in Hawaii, and my good friend Tony Lopez from Austin, Texas, used to live here, now he lives in Texas, sent me a package, LineTights. No explanation, no other information. I got an email, he says it's pretty self-explanatory, let's see what you can do with this. Okay, these are rod wraps. Okay, rod wraps here, it says for spool wraps, reel wraps, rod wraps. So it's meant to wrap your line. If it's your fishing reels, your loose spools, it's meant to wrap your loose lines, all right? Comes in small, medium, large, and I'll show how to use this, and there's a second part to it. And these are the buttons for it. The buttons have the names of, not the names, I'm sorry, the strength diameter of the lines on it, and the backs have Velcro on it. So it's gonna adhere to the wraps. So you're gonna have the smaller ones and the larger ones. The smaller ones are gonna be 6 to 20 pound abbreviations. The larger ones 25 to 80 pounds. Now Tony makes some good products. His company's called Fishing Solutions. He makes everything from rocks to sand spikes. What he's really known for is his bell buddies right here. That's what he's really known for. And these bell buddies double up for your plugs, so you can put your jigs or plug hooks in here, and it's an easy transport system without getting hurt. So this is my Okuma plugging rod, my medium plugging rod. This is my 9'6" shoreline plugger, and it has my Surf 6K reel on it. Now I just put a wrap around this. Notice it's a neoprene wrap with the little Velcro graspers on the side here. So that's a great way of storing it. You know, your reel's not gonna get any damage, but you wanna know how much, what type of line you have on it. Now, that's why he has these stickers here. The stickers have the these frilly back parts, so it'll stick to it like so. So this one's is gonna tell me that while this is storage, that's not gonna fall off. It's pretty well solid. That's 50-pound test line I got on it, all right? That's the reason for it. It's for storage, not if you have just 1 or 2 rods, but if you have more than 6 rods, I would say then, and especially if you're using equipment that are the same, you want to know what each one has before you go out, this is a great way of doing it. Oh, yep, that's thunder. Huge storm is coming in. It's going to hit any minute. I can smell it already. Whew. Okay, now this is an average spool here. This is a spool for 1,500-yard spool for 80-pound test braid. So you get your, this is the larger wrap. The other one I had was a smaller wrap. So just make sure that the fluffy side, not the smooth side, the fluffy side's on the outside. And just put it around. And there you go, and oops, hold on, it dropped. Okay. And since this is 80, and you know, a lot of times when you take the wrapper off, you're not gonna see what this is. That's what you have. This is to say 80, and you notice it has that part here to grip the Velcro, and that's it. It works for your reels as well as your spools. And you know, besides wrapping your empty spools or your half-filled spools, your reels, you can also wrap your rods together. So if you have 2 or 3 rods, they're big enough to wrap everything together to make your trip a little bit neater. So just remember, these are called LineTights. LineTights. This is by Tony Lopez in Austin, Texas. His company's name is Fishing Solutions, and I like it. I mean, I was asking my honest opinion. I'm giving it. I like it. It has its place. It's going to make things a lot neater, especially with somebody as messy as me who has too much gear. Thanks.